If you are observing or experiencing a problem in the world, or if you already have a product, program, or service that you are trying to deliver in the world, that you are offering value to a specific people group through, or even if you have an organization that's focused on the common good and solving a problem, we want to invite you to a workshop we've got coming up at Hildegard College called Business Model Generation Workshop. I'm Jeff Tanner. I lead the entrepreneurial arts at Hildegard, and we are offering this for ideators, for visionaries, for organizational leaders to help them grow their ideas into products and products into organizations that will serve the common good. What is the business model generation? Well, it's simply mapping out the 9 basic building blocks of any organizational model, which starts with looking at who the people group is that you're serving or customers, the value proposition that you're delivering to solve a specific problem that they have, and then looking at things like relationships and channels, the cost and revenue structure, partners, suppliers, resources, and activities. There are 9 building blocks of every organizational model that are basic that we're going to walk through. And we're really going to focus on what the problem is that you're trying to solve, who the people you're trying to solve that for are, and what value you're promising to deliver to them, and looking at it comprehensively as a whole. So join us at Hildegard College. Go to our website, hildegard.college, in order to sign up and register. April 2nd, 5 to 8:30 p.m. You're going to get dinner, and you're going to get this awesome book on business model canvassing, where you're going to walk through the 9 building blocks and join us in exploration of your solution for the problem that you're observing in the world and that you're passionate about. Again, go to hildegard.college to learn more and register, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.